In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access ESPN Plus with the Disney Bundle, a cost-effective way to enjoy sports, entertainment, and more. Start by visiting the Disney Bundle website or app. The bundle includes Disney Plus, Hulu ad-supported, and ESPN Plus at a discounted price. Select the plan that suits you and create an account if you're new to these services. Complete the subscription process and log in to your account. Once subscribed, download the ESPN app on your device, smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device. Sign in using the same account credentials from the Disney Bundle. You'll now have full access to ESPN Plus content, including live events, exclusive shows, and original programming. To manage your subscription or switch between Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus, use the account dashboard on their website. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN Plus with the Disney Bundle.